Good morning. This is Joseph Vassar with the November 10th, 2025 CattleFax Opening Bell. This week's opening bell is brought to you by Virbac. Fed cattle cash trade was active in the north and light to moderate in the south last week. Northern Fed cattle trade was at 228 to 230 live and 358 to 360 dressed, moderately lower than the previous week. The south traded at 230 to 232 live, also coming in a few dollars lower than the previous week. Both the northern and southern cash markets are predicted to be steady to higher this week. It will look to be a basis traders market and fundamentally can move higher if the futures board allows it. There are larger show lists in the north this week. However, in the south, Kansas has a substantially smaller show list and the Panhandle show list is flat. The spot composite cutout ended the week slightly lower, dropping 52 cents a hundredweight to go to $375.78 a hundredweight. Middle meats still have the potential to go higher into the end of the year, but end meats can limit gains in the cutout. After a slow week last week, there is pressure for the cutout to perform. It will look to be steady this week. Cattle futures decreased again last week, but seem to have found a bottom towards the end of the week. Technicals show that futures prices should have support as current prices remain oversold. Furthermore, live cattle open interest was steady on the week. The Senate reached an agreement to reopen the government, but it still must pass through the House of Representatives and the President before it is made official. This means it could still take a few days before the government successfully reopens. If the government shutdown does end, we will see the return of numerous data publications that are helpful to navigating these markets. Thanks for watching and have a great week.